That. Keeping the mulch at least 6 inches away from the trunk. We'll add a little bit more if we have some left over, because we're going to plant another tree. Okay? And then we'll put more mulch around it. We're going to plant another tree. We're going to plant another tree, a black gum, right here. After I get the sod removed, I'll start the camera again. Thank you. Okay, here we are planting our second tree. We prepared the site by removing the sod. Don't ever do that around your tree you have planted, because the grass roots grow deeper than the non-woody absorbing roots of the tree. So with the grass roots would go the tree absorbing roots. It's better just to cut the turf low and put the composted material on top at the recommended rates. So here's our next tree. Here's our next container grown tree. Container grown is okay. Container put is bad. I believe these are container grown, and you can see maybe that the roots are coming off right here, which is great, but it's unusual. This came from Octorara Nursery. Credit where credit's due. These don't seem to be that bad a tree. The oak that we planted was a little pot bound. Let's see what this one looks like so we know how deep to make our dish. Let's see. Oh yeah. This one looks like it's going to be a bare root planting job, see? Lots of beautiful roots. So we want to plant the tree right here, the depth right here, where these roots are coming off the trunk. You want to plant at the depth the roots come off the trunk. Roots down, stem up. So we're going to prepare a little planting site here, and we're going to prune these little roots. Take just a little bit off the tips of each of these roots. That's going to allow the tree to get a free drink of water. It's only free drink. Okay, so we're going to now make a dish that would be suitable for this nice little tree. Not a bad tree. Let's get her in the ground before she dries out. Making a dish, not a hole, but a dish. If you tell somebody to dig a hole, that's exactly what they're going to do. They're going to dig a hole. We want to prepare a dish, and we don't want rocks in the bottom either. Okay? All right. Prepare a dish. Make a nice area so we create the conditions that are good for root growth. Get that rock out of there, that'll give us problems. Okay, now let's see. Just a little bit deeper. Okay, yeah, that's very good. Okay, a little bit deeper, making the dish. that'll work. Now we want to start bringing the soil in and working it around the roots. Soil is really wet today. We had like 7 days of rain or something. Yeah, rain. So, heavy soil. Some soil around the roots. Make sure these roots are coming out and not being forced to grow straight down, because they'll come right back up. Now let's put some water around there. With a little bit of liquid sea kelp, it has microelements in it, calcium, magnesium elements that are essential, but not a lot of nitrogen. We don't want to fertilize with nitrogen at planting time. Now we got to mud it in real good, trying to get the air pockets out. Trying to make it straight. Some people don't like it when they're not. Okay. Let's put some more soil here. Make sure the camera's still going. I think you're getting the idea. Okay. We still have to bring it up to here, because as you can see, there's where the roots are coming off the trunk. So we kind of want to bring the soil right up to there. Remember, we're working with soil, not dirt. People that call beautiful soil dirt need help. That was one of Dr. Shigo's pithy points. Yeah. So, we're working with the soil. Pretty wet soil today. Okay, we're getting there. Get some soil from here. Okay, we're getting there. Make sure it's kind of straight. Mix in some of the stuff that came with it, I guess. See, here's the depth it should be. And it's not going to blow over in a mild wind. Always stake a tree if it's going to blow over in a mild wind.